Alright, so for today's look, the first color I'm going to go into is this blue here in the e.l.f. Matte for Matte palette. And I am going to pack this all over the lid in sort of a half circle type shape. I'm using the Morphe M433 by the way, so yeah. Alright, and the next color I'm going to take for the lid is out of the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and it's going to be this blue color here. And I'm going to take that right above where I just placed that first blue shade, and I'm going to blend that out right above it. First, actually, I'm going to pack it on and then I'm going to blend it out. And I'm using my Morphe M507. Brights palette, I'm going to take this lighter blue shade here and I am going to blend it out right above the last color that I just placed. Alright, now I'm going to cut the crease. I'm going to be taking the Makeup Revolution concealer in C12, and I'm going to be using my Morphe M124 brush. Now that that is done, we are going to just blend out the outer edges with each color that we use in the crease, starting with the darkest one first. The halo eye. It's not one of my strengths right now, but I actually like how this one turned out. So we're gonna go with it. Alright, I'm gonna take that second darkest blue from the NYX palette and go right. middle, I'm gonna take my Masquerade Mini Palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take first this dark blue shade called Dahlia, this one right here, and I'm gonna place that. For the last and final color, I'm going to take Zola from the Mini Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm just going to take a little black to add a bit more depth to the outside to kind of deepen it up a little bit, and just a little bit of the black, not a lot, just on the outside. I'm gonna go right back over that black with the deepest blue shade that I used. Create a deeper blue color because I don't have like a navy, so mixing that black and that deep blue from this palette gives me like a navy color on the outside. Alright, and for the inner tear duct color, I'm going into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. I'm going to take Sphere. Alright, so I'm just going to finish the rest of my face off camera, and I will be back in just a second. So I went ahead and finished the rest of my face off camera, so this is the finished look. All I did was smoke out my bottom lash line using every color that I used in my crease, and I lined my lower waterline with NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. For my lips today, I lined them with Chestnut by MAC, of course. Then I used the NYX Strictly Vinyl lip gloss in Sugar Mama, and topped it off with the Desi Katie Dose of Color Collections lip gloss in Over the Top. And for lashes, I used the iMovie Iconic Collection in the style number 18. I know this video was a bit shorter than my normal makeup tutorials just because I wanted to mainly focus on the eyes. Let me know if you prefer for me to do it this way or you prefer for me to do my full face routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.